Hello and welcome to Wise First. Today, I'm super excited to show you an incredible way to design logos like a pro using Leonardo AI. In the past, crafting logos used to be time consuming and costly, but with the power of AI, we can now create professional logos in just minutes. Let's jump right in and see how it is done. First, log into your Leonardo AI account and head to the home page. Here, you will find the featured models and trending content. To get started, let's search for logos by typing logo in the search bar and hitting the search button. Look at all these amazing AI generated logos. You can browse through them for inspiration or even choose one that is close to what you are looking for. Let's select the sleek modern logo. In the prompt details, you can see the description of the current logo. We'll use this as a base and customize it to our liking. Click on image to copy the prompt and load the image for modification. Now, you can replace keywords to personalize the logo. Let's change some keywords according to our need and requirements. Hit generate, and in just a moment, Leonardo AI will create a variation of the logo. Amazing, right? If you're not completely satisfied, you can experiment with different fine-tuned models. Choose one that fits your desired style better. Let's try cute animal characters. Click generate with this model to see the new version of our logo. Keep tweaking until you find the perfect one. Now, let's try another logo. But wait, there's a neat trick I want to show you. Instead of using image to image, you can simply copy the prompt and select a specific fine-tuned model like Leonardo Diffusion. Replace the letters, characters to customize the logo. Click generate and voila, a sleek logo. See how easy it is to create stunning logos using Leonardo AI? The possibilities are endless. Remember, the key is to experiment, try different models, and fine tune your prompt until you achieve the logo of your dreams. And the best part, it only takes minutes. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to design logos like a pro using Leonardo AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for joining us today. See you next time.